How to create a new directory or file in Plesk File Manager. Log into your Plesk account. On the left sidebar of your Plesk account, click the Files option. It shows all the directories here. Go to the directory where you wish to create a new file or a directory. These options perform different tasks. Go and click the plus sign to open the drop-down list. Then click to select Create Directory option. Give a name to your directory, then click OK. Here is the new directory that we just created. Similarly, we can create a file. Select Create File option from the drop-down list and give a name with an extension to your file. Then click OK. That's it. Here is the new HTML file. It is the end of the tutorial.